Hello, wonderful friends. Highly welcome back to my channel. I believe you are doing fine. Today, I'm gonna share something unique with us. Yes, you know the way my videos always come up. So, if you're yet to subscribe with us, please click on the subscribe button, like the video, and then leave a comment. You can leave your questions in the comment section, and then you can follow me up in my Instagram page. I do post there too. So today, I wanna share this bara. Yeah, this fruits you are seeing here, it's popularly known as bara everywhere, and then it belongs to the same family with melon. Okay, so and this thing has two types, but the one I'm gonna talk about more is this particular one you are seeing here, the one that has this kind of map. Okay, or mark, whatever. Just look for it in case you wanna try this. I'm not telling you I am 90% sure. I am 101% sure that this is going to work for you. Yes, tested and trusted. You can ask questions, you can do your research. So this particular leaf you're seeing here has the ability of taking away every kind of sickness in your home, your farmland, your office. Yes, I'm going to explain to you why I said at home is you can put it under your bed, your children bed, and then you will see you can stay for months without going to the hospital. You can even drop it just in your room, just leave it there, don't tell your kids not to touch it. You will see that you can stay for months without visiting hospital, even when there is an outbreak of any kind of disease like measles and all the rest of it. You and your family, you are covered as long as this particular bara is in your house. You can actually change it if you want to change it. Once you see it is getting rust or getting spoiled, you can change it and get new one. Okay, then if you are dealing on livestock, like you are rearing goat, animal, bird, chicken, whatever, please, and you experience that every now and then you see them dying like something you don't know. You get 5,000 chicken, and before you know it, you're losing 1,000, 2,000 because of one outbreak of disease or the other. Hello, just get this particular bara, drop it at every corner of that livestock where you stock it. Okay, then watch your bed grow in numbers. Okay, you watch the bed or your goat, whatever, they're gonna live and grow in numbers. All right. And another thing, if you're working, if you make use of any kind of machine, any kind of engine, something in your office to produce one thing or the other, and you find out that every week you are calling an engineer to repair this, to do the other one, please, you don't need to worry much about it. Just get this and drop it at every corner of your office. You're gonna see that's your engine, that's your particular engine that you used to develop faults. It's gonna go for months without fault. What you need to do is just maintenance. All right. And then another wonderful thing I want to share with us is, in case you give birth to a baby and you find out that you keep going to the hospital every now and then, like measles, after measles you hear you hear so many things, I cannot even mention them. There are just so many things. Or your baby is supposed to start crawling, start walking, start developing so many things, but you find out that the baby is not doing so fine. Hello, get to the market, get this particular fruit, drop it in your room, in fact under the bed where the baby sleep, or you can just drop it. As long as it's in your apartment, it's gonna take care of every other corner. All right, you're gonna watch your baby doing excellent and doing well. Okay, yes, this thing I'm telling you is tested and trusted. I must tell you that, the way I share my videos, I don't share like, let me just share for sharing sake. I have to try it. Once it start working with me, I will then give it out so that people will give it a trial. All right, a trial will convince you. If you like, just subscribe and then leave a comment. Once you get it and start working for you, you can come back and then like the video. Okay, like the video and also share to your friends. Share the knowledge to your friends. Don't forget, I said your home, your office, yes, your workplace, or your farmland, wherever. These three places are where your income comes from, and you know that once you keep going to the hospital, you will be spending recklessly. You'll be like, you have to spend to save life, so why not just give this a trial? You can get it at any shop, like any spiritual shop. Tell them to give you bara, let it be exactly this one. Instead of you not to get it, just get a picture of this. You can also do your research. So in case you are yet to subscribe with us, please don't hesitate to subscribe, drop a comment, and then like our video. By next week, I will be coming up with another bomb. I'm telling you, you're not supposed to miss this. So don't even dare missing it. Love you guys. Bye bye.